I know it's not in my head. While I'm tracing the outlines, it feels like the first.
Oh my gosh, I don't even remember what life was like without him.
I float and light as the air.
We just basically became adults together, and I'm really happy at how we've done so far. I think we're crushing it. Over the summer during school, Jordan messaged me on Twitter.
This was during when I was in maybe my freshman year of football camp.
We started texting over the summer when I came back to Clemson when school was about to start up.
She came and picked me up from football practice one day.
Years betray, walk away, dust will fade, gone, but you see from the inside.
And I went to help her move into her new apartment off campus. And that's when I actually met her for the first time, as well as her mom for the first time. So I was a little stressed out, but...
Years betray, walk away.
I think when I was a junior and I moved in with Kirsten, and he was there all the time, and we were always with my best friends and his best friends, and I was just like, this is great, I love him.
The peace that passes over.
Life starts. I graduated, got a job. He was still playing football, and he was getting ready for the draft, and I was just like, I gotta make sure this works out because I really love him and we have a great time together. I think we complement each other very well. So for example, if he's not feeling so social, I can go ahead and step in and talk to people. I just think that anything that we lack in ourselves, we pick up for with each other. We like a lot of the same things and we enjoy doing the same things.
But it's not like every freshman goes to school and says, hey, I want to start dating a girl and then I'm going to date her all 4 years. I mean, it's college, we're going to have fun. Once we started talking and then I went and helped her move in, we started going on a couple dates. I don't know, I guess I liked her company a lot. And she was a pretty chill person.
He can be around anyone, he makes anyone feel comfortable, and he doesn't get like super angry and super like crazy. He's always just like, what should we do in this situation? Let's do this.
She kind of just takes care of everything. Every trip we go on, she plans it out. She helps me get dressed and match colors with colors and what shoes to wear.
I'm his mom.
And I always ask her as well. And then just her sense of humor. It's not much of a sense of humor, but she thinks she's funny. She really does. And I don't think it's funny, but I think it's funny how she thinks herself is funny.
So funny. What do you think?
But she's adorable.
You look around and see the people here celebrating you both. Julie, you deserve the world, and without a question, I see nothing less from Jordan.
gathered together here in the presence of these witnesses and in the eyes of God. I, Jordan.
I, Jordan.
Give you, Julie.
Give you, Julie.
My life and my love.
My life and my love.
I, Julie.
I, Julie.
Give you, Jordan.
Give you, Jordan.
My life and my love.
My life and my love.
My honesty, my faithfulness.
My honesty, my faithfulness.
My laughter and my tears.
My laughter and my tears.
I promise to encourage you and inspire you.
I promise to encourage and inspire you.
To cherish and care for you.
To cherish and care for you.
To respect and honor you.
To respect and honor you.
With all my heart.
With all my heart.
Today.
Today.
Every day.
Every day.
And for the rest of our lives.
And for the rest of our lives.
With all my heart.
Today.
Today.
Every day.
Every day.
And for the rest of our lives.
For the rest of our lives.
Seeing you with her and hearing her talk about you, it just seems so right.
But whether we're racing through the Hawaiian mountains, cruising on the beach road, or late night stops at Whataburger, you've always been the coolest guy I know. When you're around Julie, everyone can see you are truly happy. And without a doubt, you two are the perfect match for each other.
I love you both so much, and I wish you so much happiness. So I'd like to cheers to this wonderful couple.
So I'd like to make a toast to Limitless. Congratulations, Jordan and Julie.
I pronounce that you are husband and wife. Jordan, you may kiss your bride. Friends, I present to you Julie and Jordan Leggett.
But I want to thank everybody for coming for a long way. There's a lot of people here that came a whole bunch of way. We have people who flew here. We have people who took train. We have people who drove. We have at least 15 states that are represented right here. People from 15 different states. That's huge. I even heard one of these guys came on a horseback, but I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
How can we say it again? Right empty words in your place. Don't fold your hand and pretend something's missing. Something's missing. We've got the world, we've got the light. We've got the moves, we make it right. Too many pieces remain, like cutouts without a shape. A flicker flows through the flame. Something's missing.
Pleasure to present to you for the second time tonight our bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Leggett.
We've got the world, we've got the light inside of our heads. We've got the moves, we make it right. We've got the world, we've got the light inside of our heads. We've got the moves, we make it right.
And I love his family. Oh my gosh, that was a big part of it. Just seeing him with his family and how much he loved them. I knew he was going to be like a really great dad, a really great husband.
The younger group loved her, loved hanging out with her. They talk to her more than they do me. Brad likes me too. They like her a lot, so I mean, she could just be a perfect piece, to add to my family, as I could see her being a good mom as well.
We've got the world, we've got the light, the light, the light. We've got the moves, we make it right. We've got the world, we've like cutouts without a shape. A flicker flows through the flame. Something's missing. We've got the world, we've got the light. We've got the moves, we make it right. We've got the world, we've got the light inside of our heads. We've got the moves, we make it right. We've got the world, we've got the light inside of our heads. We've got the moves, we make it right. Breaking loose over all the open spaces. Waterfall on the desert places. We've got the world, we've got the light, the light, the light. We've got the moves, we make it right.